Hello, friends. Welcome to our new Burlington Code Factory in the neighborhood. Come with me. Come with me. Let's go see what is up, shall we, darling? Let's go. Yes, we are seeking deals today. I'm looking for Burberry London, my favorite perfume. Okay? That is the mission, to find Burberry London and then live in peace and not in pieces. So we're seeking deals. I'm just showing you guys around. Look at me on the city TV. Camera is checking me out. It has already happened though. I'm checking out the perfumes. Coach perfume is very beautiful. It's so very yummy. And this very perfume I was holding, Abacock and Peach, I think that's what it's called. The original price is of almost $50, and here is for 14 plus. So a fraction of the price. Can you imagine that these pants I'm checking out is two together for less than $20? Look at it. Crazy. Two in one. I had to raise it up so you guys can see it. I like my bangle. What do you guys think of this beautiful bangle? I have to get more of that. I love it. Anyway, the trousers. Ooh, there were jeans for $9. Real jeans. I'm telling you. I had to get this body deodorant. All body deodorant. Yes. Let's check it out and see how it will work out. Did you see the African soap? My goodness. The African soap was there for less than the African store. Yay, that is a shame. From Ashanti region. So I had to take it original. This football purse. Blink to the nice, darling. Ooh, I would have taken this purse home. Why teacher salary not let me? Sponsorship needed. Do you guys know this bag? It is a designer dupe. We are not saying what it is. Designer sister. Designer twin sister. The thing is normally very expensive, but there it is for about $20. It's amazing. This chain belt, my goodness, it reminds me of the Chloe chain belt, and I was like, whoa, I loved it. My sisters, this swimsuit period, take this. It will cover every nyama, every jambajaism, every poto in your body. Take that, run, don't walk. And this very jacket, bling and studded, my favorite. I'm in love. Don't stop me. I am in love. Da 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 da. I'm in love with you. I'm in love. Yeah. I come back to this bag. Somebody sponsor me now. Make I go buy that bag. I don't feel my amo sister. You know the kiss lock from. Hey, what is this fool's name? That kiss lock bag. Yes. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. I go back to that chain belt. My goodness. This one you can wear it like cowboy brand. And slouchy bags are back in. Guys, as you're watching and seeing and enjoying, please don't forget to share, like, and